Hi, this is Ramanaya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Guntur Engineering College. Today we are discussing about the topic Unit 1, Lecture 3, Simple Stresses and Strains. Here, these are the most important formulas about simple stresses and strains. First formula, modulus of velocity, simply called Young's modulus. What is Young's modulus? The ratio of tensile stress to the corresponding strain is called modulus of velocity. Actually, the modulus of velocity is denoted by capital E. Finally, the formula modulus of velocity capital E is equal to stress by strain, that is equal to sigma by E. Units are Newton for mm square or Newton for meter square. Next important formula, modulus of rigidity or shear modulus. What is the modulus of rigidity? The ratio of shear stress to the shear strain is known as modulus of rigidity. Actually, the modulus of rigidity, it is denoted by capital G or capital N. Finally, the formula modulus of rigidity capital G is equal to shear stress tau by shear strain pi. Finally, the units are Newton for mm square or Newton for meter square. Next important formula, bulk modulus. What is bulk modulus? When an elastic body is subjected to three mutually perpendicular direct stresses, then the ratio of direct stress to the resultant volumetric strain is a constant. This ratio is called a bulk modulus. Actually, the bulk modulus is denoted by capital K. Finally, the formula bulk modulus capital K is equal to direct stress by volumetric strain. Direct stress denoted by sigma, volumetric strain denoted by E suffix V. The next important, the relation between elastic constants. Actually, three relations are available. First relation between modulus of elasticity and modulus of rigidity in terms of Poisson's ratio. First formula, important formula, relation between Young's modulus and modulus of rigidity. That means E and C in terms of Poisson's ratio 1 by m. Important formula, capital E is equal to 2C 1 plus 1 by m. Next important relation, the relation between modulus of velocity and bulk modulus K. The relation between modulus of velocity E and K in terms of Poisson's ratio, E is equal to 3K 1 minus 2 by m. This is another most important formula. Finally, the three relations in between E, C and K, E is equal to 9kc by 3k plus c. These are the most important formulas about simple stresses and strains. Thank you.